Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm creating a card for which I use a template that I am sharing as a freebie on my blog, MistyHilltops.com, and I'm using the digital version of my Valentine from Carta Bella. So I just basically I used the template to clip the papers to them, printed them out, and now I just put everything together. And this would be a little more difficult to give measurements, I guess, because it's a card that goes like in a diagonal design, and so for this I find it much easier working with a template. Even if you work with physical papers, you can use the template to just cut everything out with your cutting machine. And then finally I have this sentiment. I printed it out, then used one of my dies to just cut it out in a more nicer shape. And this is my card done. I'm leaving you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.